So here's my 80% win rate strategy in 1 minute. I only ever trade the 5 minute and I only ever take longs, and these are my rules. I wait for a sweep of a sell side and then I take 3 candle pattern V shapes, as you can see here on the 5 minute, to target buy side, and that's all I do. You can see really obvious liquidity up here that we're looking to target up towards this high here. So I've got my sell side sweep. I've got my 3 candle pattern V shape almost on the 5 minute. This ended up being a 4 candle pattern. Probably could have entered here when you saw this continuing up like this. But really the simplest trade ever, to be honest. We come down, we sweep this low, and we get a really bullish reaction. We inverse the 5 minute gap. So I enter here. I'm looking to target 1 for 1. At which point I would scale half at 1 for 1, which is around here, at this high, which lines up really nicely. So I scale half here, go break even on the rest of my trade. I enter the trade when we inverse this fair value gap here, as you can see, and then I just target 1 for 1, scale half out, and then I hold runners for liquidity for around a 3R at that high there. As you can see, we came up, we hit probably about a 4R, retraced back down, and then went up for about a 5R before dumping, going into New York Open. And that is it, guys. That is my winning strategy every single day I trade this. 5 minute, I only take longs. I wait for a sweep of sell side, target buy side, 3 candle pattern V shapes, if maybe 4 candle patterns depending on how they look. This is all I do every single day. If you want more info about it, go down below, join the private Discord, get involved, and also alerts and signals in there for my trades. If you do want to get yourself some free giveaways as well, join the free Discord, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.